So today I'm going to introduce you to 7 websites that are going to help you make over $1,000 a month in extra income, because who couldn't use an extra $1,000, right? And the best part is, if you do it exactly as I show you, you could potentially make a full-time income with each website. So if you want to learn the secret sauce, be sure to stay tuned. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, it's my sole purpose to help you see that you don't need a job, you need an income. So if you want help to build that income, join the family now by subscribing below. So let's not waste too much time and jump into number 1. The first website that can help you earn over $1,000 a month in extra income is The Wealthy Affiliate. So The Wealthy Affiliate is a blog training platform that basically takes you from knowing absolutely nothing about blogging and creating websites to being a full-fledged affiliate marketer, blogging and making tons of money with your websites. Now, one of the best ways in which you can earn money through Wealthy Affiliate doesn't always have to be blogging about whatever you feel like. Wealthy Affiliate has a training within itself that really shows you how to build an entire business based on teaching other people how to blog. So since Wealthy Affiliate is by far one of the best trainings on the entire internet in terms of showing people how to go from a complete beginner to being a blogger online and earning money, it's a very good program. And since it's a good program, it's very easy to promote it to other people. I can't tell you how many times I've introduced people to the system. They give it a try, especially because it's free to start. So people just kind of dip their toes in, see if it's actually a good program. Then when they realize that they're getting step-by-step help, when they have a great community that they can ask questions and get answers to them at any moment, then people see that Wealthy Affiliate is a wonderful program, and I highly suggest that you go give it a try. And by doing so, you're going to kind of put yourself in a position where you can also promote it yourself if you want to. It's not a requirement, but it is a good program to promote to other people. So as people sign up for the Wealthy Affiliate, it's free for them to sign up, and then afterwards they are presented with an offer to open up the rest of the training for only $19. You're going to get a percentage of that payment, and then you're going to get a percentage of every payment that that person makes as long as they remain a member at the Wealthy Affiliate. It's something that's called recurring income, one of the best holy grail type ways to earn money with an affiliate site is by getting recurring income. And since it is such a good website, since it is a place where you can host your websites, people don't tend to typically leave very often. Since it is such a good product, people typically stay for a long time, which means that you can make an income each month that people are there. So the second website on our list is called ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is a landing page building software. Now, I know that might sound Greek to a lot of you, but anytime you click on a link and a page pops up, that's a landing page. That's where people are sent to, and hopefully you want people to make some type of action, whether it's to maybe download an ebook or maybe it's to purchase something, whatever it happens to be. So anyway, to create those websites, it's not super difficult, but if you have no idea what you're doing, ClickFunnels is one of the best places that you can go to sign up. They show you how to create these great landing page looking websites, and then you can put people in your funnel and then have them buy something hopefully at the end of the funnel. It's a really great system. It's very, very user-friendly, very easy to really master how to make all of these funnels. Now, because it's a great service that almost every business on the planet needs, is some way to take their customers and take their potential customers and turn them into actual customers. Every company needs this. So ClickFunnels is a great service for really anyone to use. Since it is such a good service, since it is easy to use, it's also very easy to promote. And one of the best parts about ClickFunnels is the affiliate program. The affiliate program happens to pay you about 40 to 50% for every month that a person remains a member with ClickFunnels, which means you can get around $40 to $50 per month as long as people are sticking around with the system. And notice a trend, how a lot of these really good affiliate programs come with systems that are actually very good. ClickFunnels is an excellent service. People will sign up there and they tend to stay for months or even years sometimes, meaning that you can sign people up one time and you're going to get recurring income month after month after month. And if you're getting $50 per person, as long as they stick around, all you need to do is sign up a couple of hundred people, and you have $3,000 to $4,000 coming up to your bank account every single month. Very good, consistent income, because people tend to stick with these programs for a very, very long time. I've been a member of ClickFunnels for at least 2 or 3 years now, and I really don't see any reason to leave anytime soon. The number 3 website on our list is called ShareASale. So I want you to imagine a company who sells a product, or a company that sells, a digital product, whatever it happens to be. They need a way to add affiliates, or people who can go out and sell their product to other people. Sometimes, because of everything that comes with that, you need to be able to create affiliate links. You need to be able to track those affiliate links. You want to be sure to pay your affiliates each month. A lot has to go into creating an affiliate program for a company. So sometimes it's just a lot easier to just hire another company to do it for you. And that's exactly what ShareASale does. ShareASale is like a network of companies, like at least a few thousand companies that they are partnered with, where they handle their affiliate programs. So whatever niche your website happens to be in, whatever niche your YouTube videos happen to be in, it doesn't really matter. If you go on ShareASale and start searching, chances are you're going to find a website, you're going to find a store or someone who is going to allow you to become an affiliate, use their affiliate links, and sell products to your audience that resonates with them. So one thing that I have found, especially since Amazon keeps continually slashing their rates, which they probably won't even have an affiliate program in a couple of years, I would definitely recommend using a service like ShareASale, because typically if you are able to negotiate with these companies directly, 9 times out of 10, you can get a much, much higher percentage of a sale and become a good affiliate for these companies and make a lot more money than you would if you were constantly sending them to Amazon. So look into it. It's called ShareASale.com. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description for them as well. I'm not an affiliate or anything of theirs, but it's really a great website to check out, especially if you are starting with your blog. The number 4 website on our list is called Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is a very popular place that a lot of people have heard of, and a lot of times people have only heard of them because they have a lot of scammy products. Unfortunately, that is the truth. There is a lot of scammy and just bad products on Clickbank. But there are a lot of diamonds in the rough. You just kind of have to search through and find them depending on whatever topic your blog or YouTube channel or whatever happens to be. Since Clickbank happens to be kind of the old west when it comes to putting digital products online and selling them, you want to really be sure that you could be sold on these products. So just a word of advice, go on Clickbank. If you see a product that you think that you want to promote that pays a decent commission, click on their sales pages, sign up for their email list, see if they're hounding their customers or if they're actually helping their customers. Make sure that what you are promoting, you'll be able to make some sales and still sleep at night. Don't sell your soul to go out there just because of a quick buck that you can get with a company. Partner yourself with an affiliate program that you trust, that hopefully you have been using, that you can confidently promote to other people in your audience. The number 5 website on our list is called Teachable. Now, Teachable is an online training hub where you can record your own videos, you can type up your own training courses, post them there, and it puts a gateway, meaning that people can get there, pay some money, and then see your stuff. It's a really great service, one that I've been using for a few years now, and I definitely recommend to anyone. So if you want to make a decent amount of money with Teachable, there's a couple of ways you can do it. Number 1, like we just mentioned, you can create your own course. By creating your own course, listing it out there for sale, and then shooting your link to as many people who will be interested in buying, you're going to make a decent income from it. And the second way that you can make money with Teachable is by promoting them as an affiliate, one of my favorite ways in which to do it. For the record, I'll be sure to put a link down in the description for Teachable as well if you want to get started with a free trial. But because Teachable is such a highly valuable service that really makes it very easy to sell your own online courses, it's actually very easy to sell the Teachable service as well. So if you happen to be in a particular topic or niche on your website where other people will want to create programs, then shoot your affiliate link to them. It's another recurring way to earn some income, whether they are paying monthly or whether they are paying yearly. You're going to get a cut of whatever they pay for as long as they stick around with Teachable. So the sixth website on our list is called AdThrive. Now, AdThrive is an advertising network. So I want to paint a picture for you. If you're a blogger and you blog, you write on your website, and then people find your stuff because of SEO or because of Pinterest or however you're getting people to get to your website. Anytime someone loads a page and an advertisement kind of pops up on the right or on the bottom or right on top, whatever it happens to be, that's an advertisement that was put there by an ad network. You can get a good amount of money by having a ton of people coming to your website. Sometimes when you're blogging, a particular post or a particular niche may not have a lot of affiliate products that you can constantly push. And if that's the case, you can give some good information about the niche that just a lot of people need to know or want to know. So when they come to your website, load the page, look at your great information, your great blog post, helping them out of whatever spot that they happen to be in, you are still going to get paid a very small percentage just because they saw the advertisements. And because of that, AdThrive happens to be one of the best ones that are out there on the planet. Now, typically you do need a decent amount of traffic in order to sign up with AdThrive. I believe the last time I checked, it was probably around 100,000 page views per month. But if you follow the SEO tips that I have in my training over at benjisdad.com, that's benjisdad.com, I have a free video series that will show you how to blog. He will show you how to create your own website, get some traffic out there so that Google will start to find your website and sends tons and tons of traffic to your website. Even if you're not able to monetize it with affiliate marketing or with your own product, if you are just there helping people find the answers to their questions, you can still make a decent amount of income with it. AdThrive is super, super easy to use. In fact, when you are able to sign up with them, you give them a login, they'll log into your site, and they will place your ads for you. And if you don't like where they put a particular ad, just shoot them an email and they'll move it. You know, it's one of the greatest places because they're getting help because they are able to market particular products to a particular audience, and then you're going to get a kickback because you're the one who is providing that audience. And the number 7 website on our list is Legendary Marketer. Now, Legendary Marketer is one of my favorite brand building and affiliate marketing training on the internet. It is really a great place that over the years has really matured. When it first came out, it was kind of hokey, it was kind of fun, you know, but then they made the branding change a couple of years ago. And since then, the training is just off the charts. In fact, if you want to get started with them, it's like $7 and you get around 10 to 12 hours worth of training that really can show you everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing, building your brand online, building your brand on YouTube or on Facebook or wherever it happens to be. They even show you step-by-step how to run Facebook ads, and they show you step-by-step how to run ads on YouTube and Google and LinkedIn or whatever it is that you happen to want to put some ads so that you can start to promote your site, promote your stuff, become an authority in your particular niche. Now, in order to make $1,000 a month with Legendary Marketer, you don't have to promote Legendary Marketer. You can have your own system. I know plenty of people who are exercise guys or their personal trainers. Because of the training they have learned over at Legendary Marketer, they have turned their brand into a multi-million-dollar business. So I know we've been talking a lot about how we can make an extra $1,000 per month. Well, a few days ago, I was able to make over $1,000 in a single day. All right, so I made $1,001.50. If you want to learn how I was able to do that, because it actually wasn't that difficult, be sure to go check out the video right there where I go into great detail about how I made over $1,000 in one day.